Okay, now that you know how to have Scratchy walking around and moving around and building his house, let's move on to our next project. We're going to make a new game, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give him a nice title, and we're going to call it Scratchy Basic Game. And I think what we'll do is we'll actually not use Scratchy. Let's go a little bit retro. Let's do a spaceship. So a spaceship basic game. I think it'd be more fun. So I need to get rid of Scratchy. So I just go to here, Sprite down the bottom, which is Sprite, which is Scratchy, and bye bye Scratchy, delete. Okay, now I want to add a new sprite. So I'm going to have a look around. Probably in transportation, there's going to be a spaceship. Yes, there is. I'm going to grab this spaceship, click on it, press OK. And there we are, spaceship's there. But it's a little bit too big. So I'm going to click on him, and then I'm going to use the shrink button. If you look at the top here, just in the middle, it says shrink. I'm going to press that, and then I'm going to click on him, and I'm going to just keep on clicking my left click on my mouse. And if it's a little bit too small, so here I'm going to use the grow button and make him just the spaceship grow a bit. There we go. And now that I've done that, I'm going to just move him down here. So if you can do that, title your game and pick your spaceship like I did by going to choose sprite from the library, find it in transportation, and I'll see you in the next video.